Backed by popular demand, Woodpeckers' precision 12 and 18-inch triangles are the most rugged and versatile triangles around. And they'll be the last set of triangles you'll ever own, since we offer them with a guarantee to hold tolerance within 1/1000th of an inch or less along every foot of length for life. We're so confident of these triangles because we know where they come from. Every inch of the tool is crafted right inside our own Ohio manufacturing facility. We start off by machining each tool out of a solid piece of fixture-grade aluminum plate stock for optimal durability. Then they're finished and anodized for corrosion-resistant surface. Laser engraved with easily readable high-contrast scale markings. And finally, to ensure unmatched precision, our state-of-the-art video optics system is used to make sure the triangles are accurate within 1/1000th of an inch. Plus, the precision triangles feature a removable foot, so you can easily check your chop saw or table saw for perfect miters or 90-degree cuts. So the next time you're laying out a project, checking parts for square, or doing some machine setup, be confident that you have in your hands a triangle that is dead-on accurate for life or your money back.